Silvertrees is the affordable housing project currently being constructed opposite the Phoenix shop in the park, Findhorn. It is a new Findhorn Directions development of 8 properties for rent. Greenleaf Design and Build Limited designed the development in collaboration with New Findhorn Directions and won the construction tender. Works are well underway with completion scheduled for July 2021. Silvertrees is a terrace-style construction with 4 one-bedroom properties and 4 two-bedroom properties. The one-bedroom properties are most suited to a single person, a couple, or a single parent with a young child. The two-bedroom properties are most suited to a small family unit, a couple with one child, or single parent with one or more children. The two-end units are wheelchair accessible if this is required and are ground floor only. The other 6 are split-level properties. All properties have the kitchen and living room on the ground floor with the exception of flat 165, which has the kitchen and living room on the first floor. Silvertrees is built using a co-housing model with a common laundry and a communal mini-district heating system. The rear of the property is covered by a polycarbonate canopy to provide shelter. We wish to attract tenants with an interest in co-housing engagement, including active participation in social and administrative activities and chores relating to the common facilities and areas. Silvertrees boasts a high eco-spec with very good thermal performance. Heating and hot water is provided by a communal mini-district renewable heating system using air source heat pump technology. Solar thermal panels provide hot water to the common hot water cylinders. Mechanical ventilation heat recovery systems provide efficient and healthy ventilation for all properties. All windows are triple glazed. All kitchens come equipped with a combination fridge freezer and a ceramic hob. The two-bedroom properties come with bathtubs to support families. Heating is supplied by underfloor heating downstairs and by radiators upstairs. Silvertrees is a combination of affordable rentals and right-to-occupy properties. There are 5 rental and 3 right-to-occupy properties. The right-to-occupy properties have already been allocated and only rental property allocations remain. For the rental properties, there are 2 one-bedroom units, which are 165 and 171, and 3 two-bedroom properties, which are 166, 168 and 169. Rent amounts for one-bedroom units are £339.07 per month and £438.81 per month for two-bedroom properties. These amounts exclude the HOCO charges, which will be payable by tenants. These are explained later in this video. All rentals will be governed by a tenancy agreement between the tenant and NFD. The applications process is managed by NFD. Any questions you have about the properties or the application process should be directed to NFD. For your information, once the applications are received, the selection and allocations process will be overseen by the Land and Housing Trust Committee. The Land and Housing Trust is a division of Ecopia Limited. The Trust has supported a number of different housing projects between 2006 and 2016. Membership of this committee comprises 2 representatives each from Ecopia, the Findhorn Foundation and New Findhorn Association. The committee acts independently from NFD and makes recommendations to them. Applicants will not have any direct communication with this committee unless the committee require more information or clarifications from an applicant. Applicants should be aware that there are 2 governing documents relating to allocations. Both these documents are accessible from the NFD website if the applicants want background information on the questions asked on the application form. A link is provided in the comments section below. The first is the Land and Housing Trust Allocations Policy, which is a result of extensive community consultation in 2016. This document and any revision to this document is approved by Moray Council. The second is the L&HT Housing Support Policy, which relates specifically to Silvertrees and covers the allocation of the units. The applicant must have a local connection to Murray by living, working or having a family member in the Murray area or require support to a family member living in the area. They must also be able to demonstrate a length of service to the community measured by years of employment with or continuous part-time service to any organisation affiliated with the Eco-Village project. This includes paid self-employed status or recognised voluntary service. For those not currently or historically connected to the community, then the applicant must be willing to demonstrate a commitment to the ethos of and being in service to the community upon taking up any offered tenancy. The applicant must be prepared to give full disclosure of financial circumstances and must have an income of less than £27,000 for a single or more adult household. The Housing Support Policy relates directly to Silvertrees and is principally concerned with the social mix of the housing. The suitability of the candidate will also be assessed in terms of their needs, which may include their financial and family circumstances and their likely level of future commitment to the community. Applicants must be in a position to pay the rent, but given the very limited supply of good quality subsidised accommodation, those on low wages will receive suitable consideration. Multi-generational living is an effective way to create social sustainability in a neighbourhood, and NFD are striving for a broad range of ages in the block of flats to facilitate multi-generational living. NFD currently has a number of tenants living in rented accommodation. Subject to their meeting the other criteria, NFD wishes to encourage them to apply for a unit in the cluster should they wish to do so, and we anticipate at least 2 such tenants being successful. As well as meeting rent payments, tenants will need to demonstrate that they are capable of meeting costs for utilities and HOCO. HOCO costs, which cover park-wide infrastructure needs, are anticipated to be approximately £16 per month for 1-bedroom properties and £24 per month for 2-bedroom properties. Tenants will also need to be able to meet Murray Council tax, with 1-bedroom properties expected to be in Band A and 2-bedroom properties expected in Band B. Applications for rental tenants will be open on the 10th of February and close on the 26th of February. Applicants will be notified of the results by the 8th of April, with entry planned for July 2021. All inquiries to NFD should be sent to the email provided in the comments section below. A link for the downloadable application form is also provided, as are links to the Land and Housing Trust Allocations Policy and the Silvertrees Housing Support Policy. A link to the floor plans is also provided for interested applicants. All applications must be submitted to NFD in electronic form, including any required supporting documents, by the closing date to the NFD email address. Only electronic, fully completed applications will be accepted. Late applications will not be considered. We look forward to hearing from you.